at that fucking nose. I've had the camera for like a good solid 2 months, a month and a half. I still don't know anything much about it, except that, I don't know anything about it besides the fact that it looks, you know, decent to me, so hopefully it looks good to y'all. I still need to figure out, like, mess around with it, see, like that, do, like, mess with options on it and stuff to see which, like, for, like, autofocus and stuff like that, so I don't have to, like, touch it, which I didn't there, but I don't know, I just have to mess with it a little more. But yeah, we're at, you know, Noah's house right now, about to cook up some s'mores with the squad before Colton goes back to college. And yeah, let's just see where the night takes us. I don't know what I'll record. I didn't really plan to take the camera. They sort of told me to, so I'm just like, oh, whatever. We'll take it, and yeah, let's see where the night takes us. Oh shit, it turns into like a wide angle whenever you click the record button. Okay. Give it a minute, we'll be back around this fire, blazing it up. No, just kidding, the fire will be blazing. We gotta go pick up Colton. Ain't that right? Yep. Alright, we're gonna turn the slide off. Fuck it. Okay, fuck it. Let's go. Hey man, boy. Everybody. Okay. Give me a kiss. Come on, big bitch. Not you, Dakota. Colton. What the fuck? I know he just did it. I don't know what he's doing. What size jacket you think that is? Look at it. Look at him coming. That's gotta be like a 2XL.
Oh. Dude, I'm not gonna be able to fit in your fucking car, dude.
You done it once?
Yeah, I'll switch you. I'll switch you back. Hey, bro.
Oh, it's good, oh my god, dude. In my car, you fuck.
I can't put it in my trash.
God, please don't spill that.
There's nothing in it.
It's your children's fucking.
There's no sperm in it.
Well then what? Where your parents at, Noah?
No to eat.
Where's that? Getting it like a damn fire pit.
Probably doing some shit that he's not supposed to. Did it not come with a strap? Did it come with like a strap on it? A wrist strap?
I think it is. It's in my,
I feel like that one.
It's in my fucking house.
Yeah,
for pictures, for like Instagram and shit, exactly. The iPhone, it's like, it's good, but like, it's just like,
it's not good.
This is iPhone cameras like for Snapchats and shit. Like Instagram, you need like a. Look at that shit.
I make it move. Is it good zoom?
Oh, it's just, I thought that was fucking yolk or some cheese in the damn marshmallow, but that's just like a burnt marshmallow. That's a shitty burnt marshmallow. Fucking autofocus and it's being a pussy. There we go.
Wow, it's fucking
I feel like I'm talking with Savage. I pull up and fuck on your daughter.
Imbeciles. Yo, big fuck.
Fuck you want, dude?
You think about it, probably the same exists as your tiny asshole.
Ah! My leg got trapped in my damn cubic cavity. What are you doing with that? It's no, it doesn't work like that.
Really?
No.
You gotta put it on the other
Jesus.
side, not towards the camera. Like this.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you like? What is that?
You use that as like an antenna.
Yeah, your head's an antenna, you know that?
So you put the thing right. It's supposed to do like
He doesn't believe us.
Y'all have any? Shut up.
This guy's getting smart.
He can put himself shit. He did it for the fucking camera, bro.
Get a good bundle.
He's literally counting me. Oh my
They're
god.
the same, Justin. Oh.
Oh, she gonna put it back.
Oh my, it's a midget.
Is it? Get it.
Get it back.
Faces, bro. I gotta put this shit. I gotta put logging next to it.
Here comes a fucking car. Gonna wonder why there's a fucking camera pointing at them.
Oh, it's Tyrone. Tyrone grabbing him.
I'm gonna go ahead and put this on.
Keep cruising. Oh yeah, you getting
You tell me a brother drives that?
Alright, bet. Hands up, we get high as shit, dog. Because there's ice in it. I wish cigarettes weren't back here. Just smack the fuck up.
RE7? Do it! I feel like I'm at Bonsai. One more time.
Where's the cat?
Dude, don't be a pussy. Keep going. Okay.
That's good.
Okay.
Oh, that's warm. Real toasty.
Toasty like posty.
Like toasty in the summer, Jesus. Him and Angel, Jesus Christ. I wanna fucking get high. Dude, why isn't it? I'm using it tonight.
I mean, I fucking used it, but like.
That's what it looks like after Jose's gotten done with his mouth. That's how Justin got that promotion.
Justin, I can get you a badass thumbnail right now. Hold up the marshmallows or something. Get the marshmallow on the. Hey, get the marshmallow on the stick. I'll give you a thumbnail. I'll get you a thumbnail. Put the marshmallow on the stick.
Okay, graphic designer.
Get it on fire. Get it on fire.
Damn, bro, what if you're good as fuck?
This looks dumb as fuck. Look how big this stick is.
Hold on, don't go yet. Hold on.
Like Nate shot and fucking.
You're fucking it.
Go. Hold on, it's not focused. Stay. Just stay. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Bro, how do you focus it?
Fuck. Oh, let's do another take.
Do it, bro. That shit's funny. Go.
Do it, bro.
It's recording.
No, we're doing it, bro. That's classic. Fuck. Go hurry. Dead ass bitch.
That's perfect. That was good. That was enough time for it. Alright, you can blow out the fucking... The fire god.
Birds gonna come get that.
The fucking fire god over here. Pod?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
I gotta.
You can put on
Can I see that stick?
chair.
How much are tripods?
I don't think there should be that much.
Tripods? Shit, I don't know.
How much do you think they are needed? Dude, yes.
I didn't get it.
That was lit as fuck.
I didn't get it as much. I got a little bit of it. I was zoomed in too much.
You motherfucker. I have one. We'll do it again. I got.
This shit's steady as fuck.
Ah!
God, that seriously hurt.
It's fire! What do you think, bro?
You ass.
It turns like dark orange because it focuses just on it.
Expensive lawn furniture is?
Lawn furniture.
Good lawn furniture.
It really is, yeah.
Fucking Christ. We're on a 4-piece patio, so that's like $1,000.
This is as good as we're gonna get right here, boys.
Lawn chairs and Yetis.
We need more. Yeah, we're gonna have to buy some fucking chairs, bro.
The cap go here, pop.
Untighten the cap.
Pop it in there. Literally shoot it in there.
Just tighten it real tight and throw it in there.
Twist it. Twist the bottom of it. You've never done that?
I've done that.
Hey, what are you
but,
talking about? You're talking about that? Where you twist it and like shoot it off?
Can I just leave it like
I
this?
think if you leave it like that, it'll pop, right?
What?
The bottom.
And you just throw it in there?
Fake.
Yeah, it has to.
I think mine must look better.
No, just like that. Twist it. You have to create pressure.
No.
Just twist it.
Twist it in the bottom.
The first time I heard this song, I already did.
Bro.
I was like,
No. You're trying to twist it with the cap off. What the fuck?
That was sick.
That's not like a little bitch fart. Have you not seen by his... He throws his shit on my chair. He throws his fucking trash on my PS4. In that little chair. He throws his fucking trash on top of it. I'm like, what is that?
yeah, you just need to get out the house.
Yeah, I really fucking want to. I'm tired of it.
I would not accept a dirty ass house food. You have to keep that shit.
No, I'll clean it. It's just... The thing is, when I clean it, bro, I only clean my side because I don't fuck with his side.
Yes, I'm good.
Damn, hostile.
Time out, bro. That's like not good.
Hold on, Nick.
Nick.
The fuck yeah.
That's low-key pretty good. Brothers, twins, Hodge twins.
The Hodge, you watch the Hodge twins?
You watched the Hodge twins?
They're funny as shit, bro.
Isn't it just so awkward to have a camera in public? Wouldn't it just be awkward to just hold it up?
You watch the Hodge
Famous people in the airport, so
They're just looking at him like, what are you
Bro, they're
doing?
so funny, bro. They say the. This is a fucking good camera, bro. What kind is it? It says that
G7X.
top. G7X.
It's the one that I use.
I know. I was gonna say, how the fuck did I get G7X?
Is it on?
Let me do a time lapse for you.
Justin, you're fucking weird.
It smells awful. You like that?
Why would I eat it if I didn't like it?
I'm just saying.
What the fuck is that?
What are we? What are some ideas?
For what?
24-hour Walmart. Hide the Walmart. Hide the toilet. He's down.
24 hours. What day you can do that on? I mean, not for every day.
Stay overnight. Or I mean, technically.
Star?
Yeah, look, looks like a star back here.
Holy shit.
What in tarnation?
What?
So that's what I like about iPhone, bro. You can edit that.
So which one do y'all think?
What the low lights?
The picture of the dog or the picture of the cat?
Oh my God.
KKK.
Huh? Got the low light on.
What's
The
that?
hardest part is getting up to go home.
Not really. You just gotta get up and go home. Hardest part is realizing that if you go home, you have to go talk to Consuelo
Oh.
and Chalk Show.
No, I leave up the door. I will open the door. It's all loud shit. I hear her snoring still. She doesn't wake up unless she has to pee.
She pissed a lot of her old age.
I think twice a night.
Damn.
Twice a night? That's me sometimes.
I never pissed myself in a while. Yeah, I changed that.
So I didn't be able to make a proper outro, I guess, for yesterday's vlog. But yeah, I guess this is the end of where I recorded yesterday because I got home. It was late. I was tired. I had to work the next day, so I just hopped right in bed and went to sleep. But yeah, it concludes the vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'm not sure what else I'll just do random stuff like that. That's just what we just hung out. Colton hasn't been here in a while. He's in college and stuff, out of town. So we just hung out and decided to do something. So let me know what we should do next in the vlog, or if you have any ideas what you'd like to see. But yeah, I'm about to sneeze. Ugh. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.